be a game changer. So I'm gonna just apply just a little bit right here and just right on the base. And then this is basically, I don't have to do it too much because as you see, the 3D handcrafted flowers is really nice and a flat back, so it's not pointed back. So then you can definitely is count on condensed glue gel. So I'm gonna do really thin coat of no wet top coat. Make sure always place the cap on as soon as possible you can, so then that way it's avoiding from getting clear. So, and then it's really nice curl in the back. So whether either you're gonna put your crystals, or you might have a different, or you might have a fancier one. But I was sharing with you that you can do your crystal charms on the left or on the right. It's up to you. However you prefer. I'm gonna place it right here, right in the center. You can do on the sides, you can do on left side, on the right side, but then you can see that it's lays right really cool here. So I am go ahead and flash clear this one really quick. You can see this one. I'm gonna flash clear this. You can see that this one, the glow in the black lights. This one glow in the dark. So you chalk it out in the solar, you can see it glow in the dark, but this one glow in the black lights. Thank you, Dom. I learned it all from you. You ladies getting so fancy. I'm catching up with the team. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mala. And thank you, Mala. Yes, thank you. Thanks so much for tuning in. And Kathy on Facebook, thank you so much. You have a pointed back one. Oh, nice. So, okay, so flash cure for that one, and we're going to using some condensed glue gels. I got really cute like 3D crystal here. I'm gonna using some of them, and this one is thick again. Here you go. I'm gonna place them around. I'm so excited to share with you. Stay tuned for our team treat show this weekend. It's like virtual treat shows. We are back again, and with a lot of cool content. It's coming in this week. I believe it's Sunday or Monday. It's one of this day. You're gonna see our post. It's really soon, and also there's a lot of news, cool things is coming, and as well as that our team will going to America's beauty shows in Chicago. So we're back into the shows again, and stay tuned for the post, more information. And then also if you are in Michigan, or if you are closer, Chicago's, Ohio's, and a lot of other states around, that's gonna be a great shows. And we got an opportunity, we're gonna get an opportunity to share with you, and you can come and see us in person. Lots of giveaway, a lot of gifts giveaway, and a lot of like tutorial and demonstration when you stop by in our booths, and lots of cool and a lot of new exciting things. And then now tech networking too. So we're gonna keep you posted for sure. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
And Lenny from Facebook, yep, if you do it properly, this lasts you up to 4 to 6 weeks easily.
Yes. I was thinking of, you can do this and then, oh, I like that. I want to get this one. Look at that. The condensed glue gels is really like, oh, this one I got it. I'm not sure what color you are getting, but I'm getting the red colors. I'm using a pointed back right now, if you see.
So Robinson, if you want to get like the nail already done, I do believe at the trade show we do so. So like every time when we're done with our line, we have a lot of nails, but since they are very unique, so we don't list them because we want as many people to get them as possible. But during the trade show though, we will have a space for sample nails, which all the nails are done from live. You can get it from there.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This has become so fancy. Ah, so beautiful.
It's like a big number 9.
Number 9? Do you think so?
It's like a big number 9 with a big flower.
Okay, whatever. It looks really good. Because I want the flower to be fancy. I'm telling you, I couldn't get away with like even no nails. I decided to get one nail so all of you. Let me see. Need one. Looks good. You can stop right here, or you can add anything else as you prefer. I think it's gonna look good. No, hold on. I think I can just get away with this. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna need to get a couple of my frame.
That looks fun.
You like it? Well, somehow it's my pickle. It looks weird. Can you talk? Because I was all of a sudden why I feel like we are so quiet.
That's fine. But yes. Oh, and Luigi. So for Premiere Orlando, we're working with the show. So once we got confirmation, we'll let you guys know. That looks fun.
All right, more fun.
So now instead of number 9, it looks like something with a 2 antenna on it. It's like the side of the head. The side of the head with 2 antenna on it. Big fancy flower, and then you have a little neck with golden charm.
Really good imaging. It's like, okay.
And you can even see it's almost like a superhero mask. Really fancy one.
I don't think so.
So like you have the front green, right? No, like the front emerald. That's his faceplate, and you look from the side. He got 2 antenna, and the red gold neck, and his helmet is red.
Good trying.
If you see it, let me know in the comment.
I can't imagine it or what it looks like though, but it's good imaginings. I like the combination of this one. All right, so here's a tip and trick for you to do in your crystal placement. I think it's gonna be so much fun. Just get the centerpiece first. In this beautiful designs, we are selecting these 3D handcrafted flowers, and I did all of a beautiful, is gorgeous, is fun. The crystal jars, baby meat jars that is from the subscription box, and then I place them really close, tight to the centerpiece. Doesn't matter whatever you do, if you would keep it really close and tight to the centerpiece, they always stay really nice and connect together, and it's hard for them to like coming off. And then also it just, then I keep the crystal along with that, so then that way it will keep the 3D handcrafted flowers to stay nice and surround with a lot of crystals. All right, I'm happy with this. We are going to key it for 60 seconds. Hey, you can't see my ombre.